So good evening, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the multifunction car vacuum cleaner air pump. It's a dust absorbent, inflatable, lightning, tire pressure measurement. Well, this sucker does a lot of things. Dry and wet, 4-in-1 car vacuum. And let's open it, shall we? I'm going to give this to my husband because if I need it, he'll vacuum my car out, so I ain't worried about it. How's everybody doing tonight? I am doing fine. So here is one of the hoses. And here is, okay, not sure what that is. He'll know. Here's another one of the hoses. Here is this fits into the cigarette lighter. And here is, voila, the vacuum cleaner. It's a NUWA. I believe that's right. And this is a rose gold. Get this. Almost dropped it. This is a nice looking vacuum cleaner. We have them that plug in the house, but this one plugs right into the cigarette lighter. So this would be a good, and all the little hoses and stuff, they fit in here. Like this, I believe. I believe that this fits in there too, yep. So that's really good. Rose gold. Pretty. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And I am going to give this to my husband. I really was trying to get this for Father's Day. And what happened was, and it was my fault, I put it in wrong. I'm going to know what this is. I'll ask him. I kind of put it in wrong. And it finally came. But anyway, yeah. Like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.